I have a question for you. Why is it that you can never be wrong? The number of times that I have apologized being overly Canadian for something that the other person should have actually apologized for, I've lost count. This sounds absolutely insane, but do you actually know how often Germans make unjustified claims against someone else just so that you guys aren't the ones at fault? According to online sources, about 10% of all insurance claims in Germany made nowadays are insurance fraud. Insurance fraud in Germany! And that's more than 6 billion euros of insurance fraud. How does this happen? Well, let's say you're riding your bike and there's a lot of traffic. And even though you didn't actually touch any of the cars in the traffic, maybe you did accidentally, a driver claims that you scratched their vehicle. This actually happened to me. The guy scratched my vehicle and then waited for me to come back to my car, then to claim that I was the one who scratched his vehicle when I first parked it. Total bescheuert, ich weiß. But in this case, what would happen if they claimed it in their car insurance? And they were seeking compensation for damages that they believe that you made, whether or not you made them. And suddenly, you're faced with this huge bill for something you did or maybe didn't do. Guys, I guess this is just my way of reminding you that there's a reason that most of us in Germany have liability insurance, so don't forget to use it. Your liability insurance provider can actually provide you passive legal assistance and step in to cover the cost of having to defend yourself in court or actually help settle this claim. It sounds exhausting, I know, but do me a favor and go check out Feather Insurance. They're entirely digital, they're super easy to use, and they have an amazing English and German speaking team that will help you every step of the way. And if you don't have liability insurance? What are you waiting for? You're living in Germany. Wir brauchen das. Whether you want to believe it or not, Germans always need to be right.